Yo, what's up guys? LKTL, or you can just call me LK for short. Welcome to another episode of Bird-I-Veiw, where I review different sorts of topics. So, you read this title. Today is the day I'm going to review the Yamaha receiver, as I promised you guys. So, this right here is a Yamaha receiver, 7.2 surround sound system. Also, it only cost me like $500 at Best Buy. I didn't really want to get it. They have another Yamaha receiver. I was thinking about getting that one, but the problem was it has a built-in USB port in it. It was like around $700. I didn't have enough money at that time, so I went and got the $500 Yamaha. So let me go ahead and review the Yamaha receiver right quick. Alright, give me just a second. Alright guys, this is the Yamaha receiver, 7.2 surround sound. It does have the auxiliary port where you can put MP3s and all that. Also, with a built-in, I think it was built-in Cyrus. Also, you have the tone control, like for the bass and the treble. Microphone import. Also, FM, AM buttons. Also, the headphone jack. So let me go ahead and turn this bad boy around. Just give me a second here. By the way, this thing is heavy. Alright. Trying to sit on the ground right quick. Okay, there you guys go. We have the Cyrus XM, 5 HDMI cables, in ports, and 1 out port. Also, we have the audio, one and two. The coax cords, as you guys can see. Also, I did say it was a 7.2 surround sound, but to check, to let you know, guys, it's actually a 9.2 surround sound. Just to show you guys, you can hook extra speakers. That's right, extra speakers on here. So it pretty much only gives me like how can I say this, 9 speakers instead of 7. So you're pretty much looking at a 9.2 surround sound system. Also, here's the subwoofer cables. You can actually hook two subwoofers to the receiver, as you guys can see. There's the center speaker. Also, this is the antenna, as you guys can see. So, there you guys go. There you have it. This is the Yamaha 7.2 surround sound. Well, actually, Yamaha 9.2 surround sound, because of the extra speakers right here, as you guys can see. So, that's about it. Anyway, just give me a minute to adjust the camera. Alright guys, also in my next video I'm going to review these right here in the next video. That's right, clips, tower floor speakers. Now I'm sure you probably already saw my previous video. A guy got a little confused. He thought I was talking about the other speakers. These right here. Let me step back. As you guys can see, right here I'm pointing at, right there is the clips tower speakers, and these right here are Pro Studio speakers. So as you guys can see, I'm still working on them because I'm trying to see if I can find some speakers on sale. And like I said in the previous video, I finna to drill another hole right there. So I was thinking about putting another 15. So this tower speaker is, instead of having one 15, it's going to have two 15s. That's right, I'm finna insert two 15s right there. As you guys can see. Also, I was thinking about inserting some 6x9s right there. Also, I was thinking about inserting a 10-inch or 8-inch woofer down at the bottom. As you guys can see. Actually, I got two of them right there also. So yeah guys, that's just about end of this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video much more than I do. So like I said, don't forget to rate this video. Also, hit me up with your video responses and your comments. Anyway, that's just about the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys later in the next video.